Hey guys, just want to let you know on that video I did with the Harbor Freight chainsaw, there is a recall on that. I want to give a massive shout out to Paul and Tracy 99. They informed me of that. And hey, you just take it back without a receipt and they give you a new one. Let's take a look at the new one. For my regular guys, I like doing machining and restoration videos, but man, I tell you, another broken car, that's all the antifreeze out of it, broken car. I'm working on cars this summer, but here's what you walk in there with your old Chicago Electric one and they give you a new one. Let's take a look at it. And here she is, the brand new one. I hope it doesn't leak. Put the oil in it and give it a shot. Because the last one leaked, I only put in half of this, and that shows down on the minimum. So if it leaks again, it won't leak it all out. All right, so I've had this just for the day and haven't used it, but let's see here. Yep, that's oil. So it leaks right out of the box. So guys, just an FYI, you might have to go in there and do that, place that grommet like I said, but here I should say replace that grommet like I had on the other one. But the thing is that grommet that I used wasn't oil compatible, so make sure you use something oil compatible, and might do a video on that. I don't know, I don't have a lot of time, but anyway, gonna have to modify this one right out the box. Well guys, thank you for watching. If you got one of those old Chicago Electric ones, the red ones, if you take it back, they'll give you one of these new ones for free. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great one.